Students, in this video we will discuss reactions of alkenes. Students, we know alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Since they are unsaturated compounds, that's why they have ability to add. यानी alkenes unsaturated compounds होते हैं, लिहाजा ये add करने की ability रखते हैं. So the characteristic reactions of alkenes are addition reactions. आमतौर पर alkenes कौन से reactions देते हैं? Alkenes आमतौर पर addition reactions देते हैं. Addition reactions इनके खास reaction होते हैं. Right students? Now we will discuss some of the important reactions of alkenes. First of all, we will discuss reaction with halogens. We will see what is the reaction of alkene with halogens. Right students? Halogens like chlorine and bromine adds to at the site of double bond in alkene molecules. यानी क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन एल्कीन मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर ऐड हो जाते हैं जहां पे डबल बॉन्ड मौजूद होता है. One chlorine atom becomes attached with one carbon and the other chlorine atom attached with the second carbon, forming the double bond. Now students, we will write the reaction to understand the reaction of alkene with halogens. To understand this concept, we will make alkene molecule. Simplest alkene molecule is made up of two carbon atoms, that is ethene molecule. We have ethene. We have ethene molecule, students, and here we will see if we add chlorine molecule in ethene, chlorine, that is Cl2. This is chlorine molecule. We write chlorine molecule in this way, right students, to show the addition of chlorine molecule. Now here chlorine molecule, in chlorine molecule, one chlorine atom added to this carbon, right students, and second chlorine atom added to first carbon. Now after the addition of chlorine atoms, we will see what product is formed. Here we get one chlorine atom to one carbon, right students, and second chlorine atom added to second carbon. So in this way, the product which is formed is, if we do the numbering of carbon atoms, then it will be 1, 2, dichloroethane. ठीक है, ethene changes to ethane after the addition of chlorine. Such type of reaction is called addition reactions. Alkenes reacts with bromine water in the same way. Now students, we will see how alkene reacts with bromine water. Bromine water के साथ किस तरह से reaction होगा. ठीक है, again we will make ethene molecule. We have ethene molecule, students. And we do the reaction of ethene molecule with bromine water. Br2, right students? Bromine water, it is a reddish brown liquid, right students, and we get the product which is colorless. यानी जब ब्रोमीन वाटर को हम इथीन के अंदर ऐड करते हैं तो जो प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास बनता है that becomes colorless. Bromine water is added to alkene molecule and the reddish brown color of bromine water will disappears. The decolorization of bromine solution is used as chemical test for the presence of unsaturation. Right students, now we will see how bromine is added to alkene molecule. Bromine जो है वो किस तरह से alkene molecule के अंदर ऐड होगा. This is ethene molecule. We do the numbering of carbon atom. This is ethene. Right students, one bromine atom added to carbon number 2 and one bromine atom added to carbon number 1. Bromine water, it is reddish brown in color, right students. When it is added to ethene molecule, after the addition, the product which is formed is colorless. ठीक है, जो product हमारे पास बनेगा that is colorless. So we will see what product is formed here. Here one bromine, right students. In the same way, here we have another bromine. We do the numbering of this compound. It is 1, 2, dibromo ethane. Ethene changes to ethane and the reddish brown color of bromine water is disappear. Right students, so that's why this test is used for the presence of unsaturation in the molecule. I hope reaction of alkene with halogen is clear to you students. Now students, we will see the next reaction. The next reaction is reaction of alkene with potassium permanganate, KMnO4. When an alkene is reacted with dilute alkaline solution of KMnO4, right students, then hydroxyl group added at the site of double bond in the alkene molecule. We know very well potassium permanganate has pink color, right students. So after the addition of potassium permanganate in alkene molecule, its pink or purple color will discharge. Pink or purple color will be discharged. So this reaction is also used as a test for the presence of unsaturation in the molecule. Cold alkaline KMnO4. Cold alkaline KMnO4. Right students, it is known as Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent. That's why this test is known as Bayer's test. That is, the reaction of KMnO4 with ethene or alkene is known as Bayer's test. Now students, we will see how ethene react with cold alkaline KMnO4. We have ethene molecule, double bond CH2, right students, and we react ethene with KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, which is purple in color in the presence of water, right students. So we will see what product is formed after this reaction. After this reaction, hydroxyl group added at the site of double bond. So we will have 3CHOH. CHOH plus manganese oxide, manganese dioxide plus potassium hydroxide. This product which is formed, students, we do the numbering 1, 2. This product is known as ethane 1,2-diol, right students. So due to the formation of ethane 1,2-diol, the purple color of KMnO4 is discharged. That's why KMnO4 is used as test for the presence of unsaturation within the molecule. And we know very well the cold alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayer's reagent. That's why this test is known as Bayer's test. Students, here we get ethane 1,2-diol. Commonly this is known as ethylene glycol. The common name of this molecule is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. This is ethylene glycol, and usually ethylene glycol is used as antifreeze in car radiator. Now students, here some questions are given, right students. We will solve these questions to understand the concept of chemical reactions. The first question which is given is, we are asked to complete some reactions. The first reaction which is given is CH3 CH double bond CH2. We are asked to add bromine, right students. Now we will see what product is formed if after the addition of bromine. Here we can notice in this molecule double bond is present, so that's why one bromine added to this carbon, another bromine added to this carbon. So after the addition of bromine atoms, we get CH3, CH, Br, CH2, Br. This molecule is propene. Right, students? After the addition of bromine water, the purple color of bromine water will be discharged. Right, students? And the product which is formed is 1,2-dibromoethane. 1,2-dibromoethane. Student, we will see one more question. Another question which is given. We are given propene molecule CH3, CH double bond CH2, and we are asked to react propene molecule with cold alkaline KMNO4 in the presence of water. Now students, if we add water, we will see what product is formed. The product which is formed will be CH3, CH, OH, CH2, OH. Right, students? As well as we get manganese dioxide plus water plus KOH. Manganese dioxide plus KOH. This product which is formed is known as propylene glycol. The product which is formed is known as propylene glycol. Propylene glycol. Or 1, 2, 3. It is 1,2-propane-diol. The name of product will be 1,2-propane-diol. 1,2-propane-diol. I hope this is clear to you, students. Now students, we will see another important reaction which are given to complete. The reaction is, we have CH3, CH double bond CH2. We are asked to add chlorine molecule, right students, in propene. Now students, we will see what product is formed after the addition of chlorine. Chlorine is added at the site of double bond. Here we have double bond, one chlorine atom added to this carbon, another chlorine atom added to this carbon. Right students, now we will see what product is formed after the addition of chlorine. Here we get CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, Cl. Right students, 1, 2, 3. So the product which is formed here is 1,2-dichloropropane. 1,2-dichloropropane. Students, I hope reactions of alkenes are clear to you.